Okay, I'm gonna show you how to use a cowlick in your favor. So Kyler's got a big cowlick right here, and it naturally pushes this hair to the right. And so we are going to cut this hair short on the side and then use this cowlick to help push this top hair over. But we also want to make it really low maintenance, because how long do you like to spend in the morning with you? 2 minutes, maybe 20 seconds. All right, so we're gonna make this a low maintenance haircut. Push this over on the top, do this really short on the sides, and also a mom's dream is to make the haircut last longer. So we're going to take the sides pretty short. Guard on your clippers and go up about 1 inch above the ear. Put your clippers flush to the head and just go down all the way around the head. His hair sticks up right here like a lot of little boys' hair does. And so we're going to take this top part where it sticks up short. We're going to just take it, number one, all the way up to the top to take care of that part that sticks up. And then we'll blend it down on that other side. So come all the way up. This side you're going to come a little bit higher than 1 inch above the ear, because of the hard part that we are going to create. Turn your clippers diagonal, going this way and this way to get that little hair that likes to hide behind the ear. Create a hard part. Get the top wet. This is my favorite water bottle because you can really mess with your little boy. Comb the hair to create that part, and then you can see exactly where you want to use your clippers. So put the edge of your clippers right on that part and go straight back. How to make more of a defined line. What are we making?
Divine line.
A divine, more defined line. Try saying that 10 times. And just make little cuts all the way down. So we're trying to grow the top out, and so we're just barely going to take any off the top, because we want this style to eventually grow out longer, and so it'll be a big swoop over. Sometimes you don't even need to trim the top, but if you want to keep your little boy looking really good, just do the sides and then blend this part. So we're going to use a clipper over comb. You want your comb like this, or you want to slide your clippers flush with it. So we're going to start blending the short part into this side. So put your clippers in, and instead of rounding the head, you want to go straight up with the head. So put your clippers in. As soon as the hair starts coming out, use your clippers and slide it across. And start blending all the way up the head. It's a little hard for boys to sit still this long, but can you do it? So do a section at a time. Do the front section, the side section, and then just keep going all the way around the back until you feel like there aren't any lines with that blend. So you know how we took the clippers up higher? Now I need to blend this in. So that's what I'm doing, the clipper over comb. And just go take that back short. Turn your comb multiple different ways, because he's got 2 little swirlies back here, and so his hair is just all growing different directions. And so if you turn it lots of different ways, that'll make sure that you get a really nice, even haircut. Now just to put the very final touches on the blend, I always put on the very first guard that I started with, which we started with the number 1. And we're just going to make sure that there's absolutely no line coming up. So So as soon as that hair comes into your clipper, then you rock the clipper away from the head, and that will still help, or that will help the seamless transition between the clipper and then the top long part. Now we're just going to do the perimeter of the hair. So do a straight line in front of the ears, around the ear, down, and connect. So it's all about connecting dots. So come right in front of the ear, do a straight line. Use the very edge of your trimmer and come around the ear. You can pull the ear out to help get some of that hair that hides. Please, whatever you do, don't make a huge, huge circle above the ear. That screams home haircut, and we really want to get away from that. We want to make this look as professional as possible. So just make that, follow their hairline, and then take it a straight line all the way down the back. Push the head forward. That will flatten out this part of the neck. And do a straight line all the way back. Connect both sides. The haircut always looks better when it's styled a little bit more dry, so get some of the moisture off the top. Today we're using American Crew Fiber. So get some product in your finger. I use about a pea size, maybe a little bit more. And then instead of putting the glop on and trying to work it through, rub it between your hands, kind of warm it up, and work it through the hair. Hi.
Yeah.
What girl are you excited to show this haircut to at school?
School's over.
But if it wasn't, ooh, that hair product looks good. You're gonna look good.
Here's my hair.
Let's see.
I'm gonna have to do one in another 3 weeks.
That looks really good.